So after 20 years in corporate America, I had started a little bit looking at nonprofits and got a lot out of that personally. So then I started looking in the community health space, and I just found the mission incredible, the fact that I can leave work every day knowing that I made a difference to people and in my community, and it's such an important topic, I guess, that I can relate to as far as healthcare with my family and my friends and that type of thing. So we serve a lot of the underserved population. One thing that is unique about our community health center is we have consumers on our board. Over 50% of the board is consumers, and we also serve everyone. We turn no one away. As I said, I'm pretty new to community health, so it's just amazing at some of these things that are going on. So just figuring out ways to make the connection and even bring that to the patients and back to our community health center and seeing how we can be more efficient and effective. A lot of times I think we're throwing information out but not helping on the decision-making part of that. So figuring out how we can engage those people, let them take more ownership and know about their situation and the options that they have and making that easy for them. So I'm excited about that part.